Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 203, numéro 203. Today we are going to practice your listening and your writing skills with a beginner dictation themed around ordering at a cafe. Now, if you are already familiar with how my dictations work on the podcast, please feel free to use the time markers to skip straight to the dictation. But if this is your first time, let me quickly explain how it works. For each dictation, you have a printable workbook available in two levels. Level 1 with some gaps to fill in, so it's a little bit easier, and level 2, which is a full dictation with no gaps, so it's a little bit more challenging. You'll find the link to download your dictation workbook in the podcast notes. It includes the full text in French, the English translation, and space for you to write down your answers as you listen. So I will read the dictation text 3 times. The first time, just listen and get the context. The second time, write down everything that you hear. The third time, check what you've written and fill in any missing words. All right, vous êtes prêts? Are you ready? Grab your pen and let's get started. Je vais dans un café du centre-ville avec mon collègue pendant la pause déjeuner. On arrive à midi et on trouve une table près de la fenêtre. Le serveur apporte le menu rapidement. Je commande un sandwich jambon-fromage et un café. Mon collègue commande une salade César et de l'eau pétillante. On mange tranquillement et on parle un peu de notre travail. Après environ 40 minutes, on demande l'addition. On paie et on retourne au bureau en marchant. Okay, so this is the second reading. Now write down everything. Je vais dans un café du centre-ville avec mon collègue pendant la pause déjeuner. On arrive à midi et on trouve une table près de la fenêtre. Le serveur apporte le menu rapidement. Je commande un sandwich jambon-fromage et un café. Mon collègue commande une salade César et de l'eau pétillante. On mange tranquillement et on parle un peu de notre travail. Après environ 40 minutes, on demande l'addition. On paie et on retourne au bureau en marchant. All right, well done. Now this is the third reading. Review everything that you've written so far and fill in your gaps. Je vais dans un café du centre-ville avec mon collègue pendant la pause déjeuner. On arrive à midi et on trouve une table près de la fenêtre. Le serveur apporte le menu rapidement. Je commande un sandwich jambon-fromage et un café. Mon collègue commande une salade César et de l'eau pétillante. On mange tranquillement et on parle un peu de notre travail. Après environ 40 minutes, on demande l'addition. On paie et on retourne au bureau en marchant. Et voilà, that is the end of today's dictation. Now it is time for you to check your answers in the workbook. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure that you do. All the links are in the episode notes. It is free. I hope you enjoyed this little cafe dictation. I will chat with you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye. Before you go, let me ask you something. Do you feel like you kind of know French, but when it comes to actually speaking, you freeze? If that's you, I made something just for you. It's called the French Fluency Gap Guide. And inside, you'll discover the 5 fluency pillars every French learner needs. You see exactly where you're on track, where you're stuck, and what to focus on next. It's completely free and you can get it right now. You'll find the link waiting for you in the show notes.